Welcome to Green AgriVision. Welcome to our video presentation on harnessing the power of AI in agriculture. In today's rapidly evolving world, technological advancements are transforming every industry, and agriculture is no exception. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the way we farm, from automated farming systems to precision agriculture and data-driven decision-making. In this video, we will explore how AI is reshaping the agricultural landscape, the various applications of AI in farming, and the benefits it brings to farmers, food production, and sustainability. Join us as we delve into the exciting world of AI in agriculture. Section 1: Introduction to AI in Agriculture. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. In agriculture, AI is being applied to streamline and optimize various processes, enabling farmers to make informed decisions and achieve higher levels of efficiency and productivity. One of the significant areas where AI is making a difference is in automated farming systems. These systems utilize AI-powered robots, drones, and autonomous vehicles to perform tasks such as planting, spraying, harvesting, and monitoring crop health. AI algorithms enable these machines to analyze data, navigate fields, and perform tasks with precision, reducing the need for manual labor and enhancing overall efficiency. Precision agriculture is another key application of AI in farming. By integrating AI with sensor technologies, satellite imagery, and weather data, farmers can gather real-time information about their field's conditions. AI algorithms analyze this data to provide insights on optimal irrigation schedules, fertilizer application rates, and pest control strategies. This targeted approach minimizes resource wastage, maximizes crop yields, and reduces environmental impacts. Section 2: AI Applications in Agriculture. Let's explore some specific AI applications that are transforming agriculture. Crop monitoring and disease detection. AI algorithms can analyze drone or satellite imagery to assess crop health, detect diseases, and identify areas of stress. By capturing high-resolution images and applying machine learning techniques, farmers can detect early signs of disease outbreaks and take timely preventive measures. This enables proactive disease management, reduces crop losses, and minimizes the need for broad-spectrum pesticides. Yield prediction and optimization. AI can predict crop yields based on historical data, weather patterns, and agronomic parameters. By leveraging machine learning models, farmers can make data-driven decisions regarding planting densities, crop varieties, and harvest timing. This information helps optimize resource allocation, maximize productivity, and improve profitability. Soil analysis and nutrient management. AI-powered soil sensors and data analysis tools enable farmers to monitor soil health in real time. These sensors measure key parameters such as moisture content, nutrient levels, and pH balance. AI algorithms process this data to provide recommendations on fertilizer application rates, soil amendments, and optimal planting practices. This ensures that crops receive the right nutrients at the right time, promoting healthy plant growth and minimizing nutrient runoff. Weed and pest control. AI algorithms can differentiate between crops and weeds, enabling targeted herbicide applications. By analyzing images or using robotic systems equipped with computer vision, AI can identify and precisely target weeds, reducing herbicide usage and minimizing environmental impacts. Similarly, AI can help monitor pest populations and predict their dynamics, enabling farmers to deploy targeted pest control measures when necessary. Section 3: Benefits of AI in Agriculture. The integration of AI in agriculture brings numerous benefits to farmers and the entire food production system. Let's explore some of these advantages. Increased efficiency and productivity. By automating tasks and optimizing resource allocation, AI enhances farming efficiency and productivity. Automated farming systems can operate around the clock, reducing labor requirements and increasing output. Precision agriculture enables farmers to make data-driven decisions, minimizing resource wastage and maximizing crop yields. Improved resource management. AI-based systems enable precise monitoring and management of resources such as water, fertilizers, and pesticides. By using sensors and data analysis, farmers can apply these resources only when and where needed, minimizing waste and reducing environmental impacts. Enhanced crop health and quality. AI-powered crop monitoring and disease detection systems enable early identification of plant stress, diseases, or nutrient deficiencies. This allows farmers to take prompt action, improving crop health and quality. By addressing issues early, farmers can prevent crop losses and produce higher quality, marketable produce. Sustainable farming practices. AI promotes more sustainable farming practices by optimizing resource usage, reducing chemical inputs, and minimizing environmental impacts. By applying targeted interventions based on data insights, farmers can reduce reliance on broad-spectrum pesticides, decrease fertilizer runoff, and minimize soil erosion. Data-driven decision-making. AI provides farmers with valuable insights and data-driven recommendations for decision-making. By analyzing large volumes of data, AI algorithms identify patterns, trends, and correlations that humans may overlook. This empowers farmers to make informed decisions regarding crop management, resource allocation, and risk mitigation. Section 4: Future possibilities and conclusion. The future possibilities of AI in agriculture are vast and exciting. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated AI applications in farming. From robots that can autonomously harvest delicate crops to AI-powered systems that can predict climate impacts on crop growth, the potential for innovation in agriculture is immense. In conclusion, AI is revolutionizing agriculture by transforming farming practices, improving efficiency, and promoting sustainability. The integration of AI in automated farming systems, precision agriculture, and data-driven decision-making empowers farmers to make informed choices and achieve higher levels of productivity while minimizing environmental impacts. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of harnessing the power of AI in agriculture. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread awareness about the transformative potential of AI in farming. Stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel as we continue to uncover the latest advancements in agriculture technology.